If your client asks you, edit my photos in just $3, so here is you have an option which is very precise, very accurate, and very perfect, and also very short method. So in this video we will learn how to retouch your skin from this to this in just 2 or 3 minutes. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Welcome back to amazing world of the Photoshop. So I have already downloaded this photo. If you want to download this photo and follow along, please check the links in description. So this is a photo. I need to make 2 copies. So press Ctrl Command J 2 times, and the first layer is original texture, org texture, and the second layer is texture. So just hide for moments this layer, and this layer convert to smart object. So right click on it and convert to smart object. What is the benefit of smart objects? Once you make it smart object, you have to option fully control to edit later. So just select this layer and go to filter, noise, and then median. So increase the value from 0 to forward where everything goes away, just still textures, so everything goes away. So in my case 96 should fine, and just hit OK. Now we already removed the texture. Now we need to make an texture for us. So just create adjustment layers of solid color and choose the 50% gray color. So this is the brightness and this is a 50% gray, or you can type the hex code 808080 and hit OK. Not convert it to smart object. Just right click on it and convert into smart object. So once it's converted, change the blend mode from normal to overlay, because the overlay works on 50% gray. So now select this layer, go to filter, noise, and then add noise. We are going to creating our own texture for our image. So start from the beginning. So 48 is too much. I think is 15 is good. And click on this monochromatic, because once we unchecked on it, and it will show us the RGB pixels. We don't need it. We need just only black and white. So click on monochromatic and hit OK. Now we already removed the texture of our image and already add an texture which is a low frequency. Now we need original texture. Now turn on this layer and convert into smart object. So just right click on it and convert smart object, and simply go to filter, others, and then high pass. Now start from the 0 and just slowly and gradually increase the values where your skin texture just beginning. I think the skin texture is 1.5. I think fine. Yes, only just skin texture. So just hit OK and change the blend mode from normal to soft light. And there we are. We already have our original texture, our artificial or self-made texture, and also we have a color. So we already separated high frequency and low frequency. Now click on the first layer and press shift key and click on the last layer, and it will select the all layers they are between these all layers. So just click on G and just double click on this side. In the underlying layer, just remove from the highlights. So it's very harsh. So press Alt and click on it, and it will divide in 2 parts. So just like this. We already removed from the highlights, and also we need to remove from the dark areas like the nose inside, mouth inside, and eyes areas. So just I click on it, and it's very harsh selection, so I want to smooth it. So just press Alt and click on it, and there we are. Now we already made it, and just hit OK. Now our skin is very smooth, very smooth. Now we need to just remove from the other areas or just apply on the entire areas. So just hold alt button and click on this mask button and it will create a negative mask. Now simply choose the brush tool, flow almost about 20 or 25 30. So in my case I'm choosing 20 and just zoom it and make sure the white color is in front or foreground and just paint on it where your skin. Be careful from the edges. And there we are. Now look overall, the before and here is that. So this is a very fast way. So if you want to make it more precise, then make sure to remove the all particles just like this. So just select on this, just make a new layer on it and just remove to and check on the sample from all layers and just paint like this. Where the big spots are seen, just click on it and it will detect and automatically remove that. So make sure the brush size is a little higher than the spot. And there we are. Now look overall, is it before and here is the after. So this is the new technique. So that's all for this video. So I hope this video helps you, and if you got help from this video, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and just press the bell icon to get notified from every single video, because we are daily uploading a one shot about Photoshop and Illustrator. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. I will see you in my next one. Stay tuned and Allah Hafiz on us.